Hi guys, fast forward to 4 minutes 51 if you don't want to see the colours. Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well today. So I'm going to be using the Chameleon Pigments again by Fluid Art Co. This is the one I used last time, Boastful. I'm probably going to be using that again because it is so delicious. Now this is the other one. Now this can look, or the chameleons can look a little bit grey when they've been standing, but as soon as you mix them, obviously the chrome all disperses properly, chrome particles. So this one is Pretentious. You see all the different colours in it, the colour shift. So I'm using those two, and then this one is, it's This Little Piggy Twilight mixed with this Plaid FX. What's the colour? Doesn't say what colour it is. Well, I can't see it anyway. This one, the pinky red metallic. Sure, it's got a name. Nope. That's a bit daft not having a name. Okay, so that one, I bought it ages ago, probably a couple of years ago, and this colour's been mixed of ages as well. So it's Twilight and that, whatever that is. And this one is This Little Piggy Pinwheel, which is a beautiful lilac blue colour shift. I think that goes lovely with that. And then I think I'm going to add a bit of depth as well. So this one is Matisse, no it's not, it's Atelier Dioxazine Purple and TLP Sequins. I think it might be a bit thick. I mean, I do like my paints thicker than some people, but that was a bit too gloopy. That's better. Now, what I'm doing a different cell activator today. I saw this one in my new local office works, Atelier, which I do like Atelier, and it's tinting white pearl. So it's pearl titanium tinting white. It's opaque. So it's it doesn't have much of a pearl. I thought it might be quite pearlescent, but it's not. But we'll try it, see how it goes. And I'm also going to be using black CA. I'm going to be doing a transfer swipe, so I'll be putting a black pillow down to do my swipe, because chameleons are better over black. It shows the colour more. Over white, they can look a bit murky, a bit grey, and you can't see the colours shifting as much. So those are my two cell activators, only mixed with Australian Floetrol, no oils, no silicone, nothing else, just Australian Floetrol. And as always, everything will be listed in the description box below. If you're on your phone or if you're on your computer, you can click on the video title and it opens up. You can't see the description box if you're watching on your TV. So I'm working on a 14-inch by 18-inch canvas again, starting with my swipe, and I'll be transferring this onto the larger canvas.
You and I, we never show precious, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go. Let yourself go. Let yourself go. Tell them to open up the gates. We are the ones that liberate, the ones that never hesitate. Hey, hey, hey. Tell them to stand the world away. We are the ones they wanna say, the ones that never hesitate. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh wow, these colours, oh my goodness, how gorgeous are they? They're like, oh wow. As I was doing it, I was like, oh my god, they're beautiful. So happy with this. I'm sure you're going to love these new Chameleon Piggies as much as I do. They're just delicious. If you like it, please hit that like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. Look at those colours. I just can't get over how many different shades are it. Oh, it's just I'm pretty speechless by it. Where was I? Yeah. Please share, and everybody take care. Stay safe, and as always, everything is listed in the description box below, and these new pigments are being released on the 20th and the 21st of October, and not long to go. Thanks guys, see you soon, bye.